Okay, right. Okay, so preparing insoluble salts by precipitation. Okay, I'm preparing insoluble salt by precipitation. So Alhamdulillah, you already recognize what is soluble and insoluble. So that one is very important, all right? So for insoluble salts, for example, like silver chloride, AgCl. Okay, for the silver chloride, AgCl, you have a Ag here and Cl this one. Okay, to make it for insoluble salts, soluble salt plus soluble, then you got the insoluble plus soluble. Okay, soluble plus soluble, then you got insoluble plus soluble. That one is a precipitation, preparation for insoluble salts. So for example, like silver chloride, AgCl. So you have a silver Ag and Cl. So teacher just pairing to make it the soluble salts, all right? You just remember the annex. You take the annex that one. All right, has or not has soluble. So for me, I take the silver nitrate. But nitrate all soluble. Okay, I take the silver nitrate. Teacher, I want to do the silver ethanoate. Yes, can. But ethanoate is a too long, sayang. CH3CO minus. So I advise you, if you want to do the soluble salt, just take nitrate. Such nitrate all soluble. Then easy that one. NO3 minus. Okay, Ag plus, NO3 minus. Okay. And then K, potassium. It's up to you. If you want to K plus, potassium can, sodium can, Na plus, and also or ammonium and H4 plus. So depend lah if you want to take potassium can, sodium can, ammonium can. So I take the potassium. So then potassium nitrate here, this one. It's a silver chloride, insoluble. Then barium sulfate, that one, barium sulfate, so BaSO4 here. So it become barium sulfate, sodium nitrate. So depend lah. As long as that one soluble. Okay, before teacher proceed. Hana, any questions now for this one? Is it clear, Hana?
Yeah, it's clear.
Asha?
Yeah, it's clear.
Mukris?
Yes, it's clear.
Nana?
Yes.
Chacha?
Yes.
So preparation for insoluble salt, you just remember the keyword, the acronym. Mama suka fried rice, daging. So mama is a mix. You mix the two solution. Suka is a stir. Okay, fry is a filter. Rice is a rinse. And then daging is dry. So you stir, you mix the two solution, you mix the one. After that, you stir. After you stir, you filter. This one. Then after that, you rinse with distilled water. And then after that, you dry between the two filter paper. Okay, all right. So, wait, teacher show you the video. Okay, preparation of insoluble salts. Yeah.
Food Panda.
But the two words don't mean the same thing. For example,
Okay, they take the potassium iodide, soluble salt potassium iodide, and lead to nitrate. Okay, lead to nitrate, nitrate all soluble. So see, both solution, both is colorless solution. Okay, both with colorless solution on. So sian dia mix mama. Mix first, mama. After that you stir. Mama suka stir. You stir the mixtures. Mama suka fried rice filter, fried rice rinse and then dry. Okay.
Example, copper sulfate is a solution. It's clear, you can see through it, but it's blue. In these two instances, they're both clear and colourless. A solution must be clear. So I'm going to put a bit of lead nitrate in a beaker, and then I'm going to add some potassium iodide, and we're going to make lead iodide. And as you see,
they become yellow. Teacher, why yellow? Potassium iodide, lead 2 iodide, lead 2 iodide, PbI2. It's a color the yellow. Okay, lead iodide color is a yellow.
it goes bright yellow, but also it goes cloudy. It's murky. You can't actually see through it anymore. So how are we going to get the insoluble solid out of that? Well, to do that, we need to filter it next. So filter paper, fold it in half again, sit it in our filter funnel, and hopefully, to get it to sit properly, you can sometimes just dampen it a bit so it sits in the filter funnel properly. And then we're going to filter off our yellow insoluble solid. Being insoluble, it shouldn't come through the filter paper. You will find that a trace of it does in this case because the particles are so fine, but most of it will stay in the filter funnel. And so what we're going to end up with is mainly a solution of soluble products and our insoluble precipitate of lead iodide in the filter funnel. We'll just have a closer look at that. There you see that the yellow solid is already sort of sticking, gathering, collecting on the filter funnel. And what is filtering through is mainly transparent and colourless, mainly soluble stuff. There's a tiny trace of some yellow solid there, but not so much as we want to worry about. So that's the first stage in obtaining an insoluble salt, in this case lead iodide. Now this technique has some useful everyday applications. One of them would be if we want to identify different dissolved ions. For example, if I thought I had lead ions dissolved in a solution, I could add a few drops of potassium iodide, and that would immediately give that bright yellow precipitate. And that is a characteristic test for lead ions. But another, and probably more useful application of precipitation is the way in which we can remove soluble metal ions from solutions. For example, we know that lead is very poisonous, and
Okay, Sana, any question for the precipitation for this video?
No.
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 No. Chris?
No.
Nana?
No questions.
Chacha?
No questions.
Good job. No.
rather than, of course, it can't be what's coming through the filter is pretty much harmless, or at least it's got no lead ions in it. And that's precipitation. We're going to leave it for a while to carry some excess potassium iodide might be mixed in with the damp lead iodide. So I'm going to rinse it afterwards with distilled water. And now it's nearly finished filtering, so here's my solution. I'm just going to rinse it now thoroughly with distilled water. That will, as I say, get rid of any potassium iodide excess that is still in there. And once that has been left dry, you could put it in an oven or just leave it in a very in a warm place. You could
see just now that one. They were he rinsed it with distilled water. So now you rinse with distilled water. So after you rinse, then you need to dry. Mama suka fried rice daging.
Dry it off and you'd be left with pure lead iodide.
Done. Okay, so any questions, Hannah?
No, no questions.
Mukesh?
No questions.
Asha?
No questions.
Nana?
No.
Racha?
How did the distilled water like?
How what,
How did the distilled water like separate the lead iodide?
Oh, distilled water. How distilled water will be separate lead to iodide, is it?
Yes.
Distilled water just for rinse sayang that one. And then distilled water, it will not dissolve the it will not dissolve the insoluble salts. Insoluble salts means that it will not dissolve in water. So you just rinse that one. For example, you want to remove the impurities, so you rinse with the distilled water. So then the distilled water will be will be like move in the bottom. It will go to the below part here. Ni one. It will not mix with the lead to iodide because lead to iodide inside the filter funnel, that one here, is an insoluble salts. Insoluble means that it will not dissolve in water. You just rinse also. You just remove the impurities using the distilled water. Is it clear, Chacha?
Yes.
Like we wash something, one. You wash the you wash your cup or what using water. Water is a distilled water. You want to remove the impurities. Okay, clear, Chacha?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. All right, so now I want to teach you the. So we start. Okay. Only 4 people are following you. 5. Another one, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, suppose you have Chacha and Nana. Chacha and Nana in the one year. Okay, right. So, this whiteboard, all right, if you see this whiteboard, okay, I want to teach you, I want to teach you how to do the chemical equation for precipitation. Okay, chemical equation for the precipitation. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay. Okay, so you can see the screen right now. Wait, did you want to type on? Okay. So for example, like copper to carbonate, CuCO3. Okay, copper to carbonate. Okay, this part, Asha. Okay, Asha.
Yes.
Okay, copper to carbonate, soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble.
Insoluble. So now, this one is a insoluble salts. Right, insoluble salts. So then plus with a soluble salts plus with a soluble salts. Okay, so copper and carbonate. Carbonate is a CO3 to minus, right? Copper is a Cu2 plus. So if you want to make it copper soluble, so remember that, Asha. You need to pairing with what? Copper what is a soluble salt? What?
Can I use sodium?
Sodium, which one? This one is a,
Soluble?
yeah, sodium. But copper what? You want to become that one is a soluble salt.
Copper nitrate?
Copper nitrate, yeah. Copper nitrate. So how to do the formula for copper to nitrate? Cu what?
CuNO?
CuNO 3, 2.
Minus. Oh,
Minus NO3. Cu2 plus, NO3 minus. So when you cross this one, 2 and 1, so it becomes CuNO3, 2. Okay,
oh,
it's
okay.
clear. Yeah. Clear, huh? Right?
Yeah.
So for the carbonate, so what compound that one soluble?
Can I use potassium?
Yeah, that's again. So by the K2CO3. So because K plus CO3 to minus cross, then will become, so K plus CO3 to minus, and then 2 and 1, so K2CO3. Then plus with a what? Chang?
K2NO3 too.
NO3.
Oh,
Because K plus NO3 minus, then 1, 1, it become KNO3. Okay, so is it clear?
yeah, it's clear.
Okay, Pak Asha done. Now, Hana. Hana?
Are you asking me or Hannah?
Oh, Hana. H,
Oh,
Hana. 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 I think she go to the toilet. She go to the toilet. It's okay. Nana.
yes.
Okay, Nana, wait, Sekejap. Hana, WhatsApp ni, sekejap, Teacher, apa tu, teacher share screen tu kan Hana tiba-tiba lag. Allah Akbar. Sekejap. Hana lag. Okay, tak apa. Hana, you try to rejoin back, Hana. Okay. Nana first, Nana. Nana.
Yes.
Oh, tak boleh dah. Hana tak boleh nak masuk. Allah, hai. Sekejap. Hana close back. Close back. Right. Okay, Nana. Okay, so PB. Okay, so PBCl2. Okay, Nana. That one is what, Nana? PB and then Cl. PB2 plus, Cl minus. So I need to pair in PB with what, Nana?
Cl.
Yeah, PbCl, that one is a lactofluoride. So soluble salts to make it a soluble salt. So So PB with what?
Cl.
Cl.
Yes.
Yeah, PB. Okay. Nana. PB, yes, PB with Cl. PbCl2 soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble.
Okay, insoluble. Okay, so now teacher do the chemical equation for the precipitation tau. Alright. So now I want to make it the Pb2 plus is a soluble salt. So Pb2 plus is a pairing with what is a soluble salt. So what?
Cl.
Cannot Nana. Cl is insoluble salt. So I nak teacher want to make it the Pb. Alright, so this Pb which is a soluble. If you pairing with the Cl, so they become insoluble. So I want to pairing with the soluble. So Pb what is a soluble salt?
PbCl.
Cannot Nana. Sorry Nana. Okay. Nana, you see the above parts here, this one. Here, right? So copper to carbonate is a insoluble. Okay, CuCO3 is a insoluble. Right? So now soluble plus soluble. So copper here, I pair it with a nitrate. Copper to nitrate is a soluble. If you pairing the Pb with Cl, lead to chloride, that one is an insoluble. So I not make it that one is a soluble salts. Is it clear, Nana?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Wait, Nana. You watch first that one. I try to go to your friend. Wait, huh? Okay, Mukris. Mukris? Hello, Mukris?
Yes.
Mukris. Okay, Mukris. So I want to make it the chemical equation. Alright, so which is a precipitation reaction. So PbCl2 is a insoluble. So precipitation is a soluble salt plus soluble salts, that you got the insoluble plus soluble. Okay, Mukris. So what is a Pb2 plus, which is a soluble salts? So like what is a soluble salt, that one? If this one is copper, okay, copper to nitrate is a soluble. So like what is a soluble? Mukris.
Wait.
So like what one? That one is a soluble salts.
What is the question?
To make it the Pb2 plus, which is a soluble salts. So like what is a soluble salts, that one? Pb what is a soluble?
Lead nitrate.
Lead nitrate, yeah. So lead nitrate, Pb2 plus. Pb what?
Mm, PbNO3.
PbNO3 2. PbNO3 2. What? Oh, okay. Okay. So PbNO3 2.
2.
Okay. So is it clear, Mukris?
Yes.
Okay, Nana. Is it clear, Nana? That one. You understand or not, Nana?
Not fully.
Okay. Actually, I want to make it the chemical equation. This one, if you see that I circle here, this one we call chemical equation. Okay, chemical equation. So chemical equation, this one, I want to make it the insoluble salts, which is a precipitation reaction. So precipitation reaction, you need to have a soluble salt plus soluble, then you got the insoluble salts plus soluble salts. So now, if I want to make it the lead to chloride, I need to have a lead to nitrate. So lead to nitrate is a soluble salt. Understand or not, Nana? Okay, teacher. Teacher, I want to make it lead to chloride here. I said cannot because lead to chloride is a insoluble salt. Is it clear, Nana?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Mukris,
Yes.
for the chloride, Mukris. So what is a pairing with a chloride, which is a soluble salt?
AgCl.
AgCl cannot say? AgCl is insoluble. Remember that crazy people are horrible, that one? Yes,
Potassium
potassium
chloride.
chloride, that one. So KCl. Okay. PB with Cl. And then K with NO. So then become what, Mukris?
KNO3.
Yes, KNO3. So this chemical equation, chemical equation for preparation of the insoluble salts.
Yes.
So preparation insoluble salt, that one soluble plus soluble, then you got the insoluble plus soluble. Okay, now, is it clear, Mukris? Any question, Mukris, for this one?
No questions.
Okay. Now, Nana, is it you understand, Nana, that one?
Yes.
Okay, so I test you, sir. One. Okay, so wait. Okay. So barium sulfate. Yeah. So Ba plus with SO4 2 minus. Ba2 plus. Okay. All right. So Ba. Okay. So Nana, Fahana, Nana. Barium what? That one is a soluble salt, Nana.
It's insoluble.
Soluble, that one.
Yeah.
Barium what?
Barium nitrate.
Yeah, barium nitrate. How to find the barium nitrate? Ba what?
BaNO3.
Okay, BaNO3 tu sayang. Okay, so BaNO3. So Ba2 plus NO3 minus. So Ba2 plus NO3 minus. So then you cross here 2 and 1. So then BaNO3 2. Okay. Nana, for the sulfate. For the sulfate, that one?
Potassium sulfate.
Yeah, potassium sulfate. Potassium can, sodium can, and A plus. Ammonium also can. As long as that one is a soluble. Okay, 2SO4, K plus. SO4, 2 minus. So then you cross 2 and 1. K2. Okay. Oh. Okay. K2 SO4. So then I cancel here. 2 plus 1. 2. So K2 SO4. So plus with a KNO3. So is it clear, Nana?
Yes.
All right. Hana, Chacha, Hana? Hana? You can hear me or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Hana, you understand how to do this one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Chacha, do you understand how to do this one, Chacha?
Yes.
Okay. I think Nana and Chacha need to be pairing. Nana first and Chacha. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I need you to write in the whiteboard, right? So I give the insoluble salts, then you need to write the chemical equation. Can or not, sayang? Okay, we get it. All right, we start with Mukris and Asha first. So after this, Nana, Chacha, and Hana. Okay.
Do I have to like draw on the board?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is Asha. This one is Mukris. Okay. Wait, Wait. Sorry, why stop?
Can I like change to tablet? Cause like I'm on my phone right now.
Yeah, sure can. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, Mukris, zinc carbonate, Mukris. You need to write down in the whiteboard, that one. Asha. So after this, Nana, Chacha, and Hana. So, Mukris, you can write in the whiteboard or not? Mukris. Oh, can.
Wait, teacher.
Hmm.
Do I write it now?
Yeah. I will use the red pen to do the correction for you. Nana, Chacha, and Hana, if you want to try also can. Hana. You try and then you send to my WhatsApp that one, my number. If you want to try either correct or not. Don't worry about the charge. If you're wrong, I will correct that one. Don't worry, sir. You try first. Asha, I know 3 minor, Asha. Don't have a bracket because AG plus. We have a AG plus and NO3 minus. Yeah, NO3. They have a 3. Yeah, correct, Mukris. Over. This one, yes, correct one. This chemical equation very important for paper 4. It's very important for paper 4 for the subjective. Okay, correct, Asha. Mukris, K plus CO3 to minus. Okay, K plus CO3 to minus. When you cross 2 and 1, they become what? Below, sayang? The number must be at the below part. It's not the above part, sayang. Yes. Yes. Okay, Asha, good job. On. Okay, yes, correct, Mukris. The last part, the last blank one. So after we finish this one, then I will teach you how to answer in paper 4. Yeah. Good job, Shah. All right. So actually, after you do the chemical equation, you need to balancing tau. Right? So put here 2. Part Asha already balanced. Mukris, you need put here 2. 2 KNO3. Okay, chemical equation, always you need to do the balancing. Okay, so done, All right. So, and so any question, Mukris, Asha? No,
No question.
All right.
No questions.
Okay. All right. So turn Hana and Chacha. So after this, Nana. Okay. This one is belong to Hannah. Hannah. Okay, this one Hannah. Okay, Chacha. Nah, Chacha. Chacha. Okay, Chacha, this one. Okay. Hannah, Hannah, dia bila Hannah. If you Chacha done, it's up to you lah. You control Chacha and Nana. So Nana, you below part one.
Teacher.
Kenapa Hannah? One.
Never mind.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, sir. Okay. Alright, so it's okay Hannah. Terkeluar tak apa, don't worry. It's okay je. If you don't remember the charge, let me know, okay? Until I will give the charge.
Teacher.
What's that?
SO4 is a different, or is it the same?
Difference what? The charge or what?
No, not the charge. Dia like
You want to separate? Is it?
O is oxygen.
Oh, no. There is the same.
Yeah.
It's a combined
okay.
together. SO4 to minus.
Okay.
Okay, good job, Chacha. Good job, sound one. Yes, correct. Yeah. And okay, good job, sayang. Yes, correct, that one. K plus, Chacha. K plus, NO3 minus. So when you cross that one and one. Yeah, K NO3. No bracket, eh? Yes, good job, that one. So part Chacha, that one done. Then if you want to balance Chacha, suppose you need to write here. 2K and then 2 NO3. 2K and 2 NO3. Okay, so is it clear, Chacha?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good job. Hana, kesian lah. CO3. Very good, Zah. Why hilang Nana? Okay. Very good. On. Okay. Then Nana, Nana ada bila part yang sayang? Ada. Hana. And A. Hana H. And A. Safid. Safid as of 4 to minus. Yeah. Hana and Nana, the name is quite similar. Hana, change the name, Hana.
Huh?
Your full name is what, Hana?
My full name? Nurfijani Hana.
Hana apa?
No. Macam ni.
Mana you write down what you.
Hmm.
Nurfijani Hana. So in chemistry group, you write down your name Fir. I call you Fir. Nana.
Okay.
Okay, good job, sayang. And ANO3. And ANO3. And A plus NO3 minus. Nana balance. Ni. Fir. Jangan buat Fir. Balance Fir. Right. Okay. NO3. Nana. Yeah. Good job, sayang. That's correct one. That's all for. So after this, we take break, before we go to the paper 4 preparation of results. K plus SO4 to minus Nana. K plus SO4 to minus. Then you cross 2 and 1. Dia become what? Ni, Nana. Suppose is what? K plus SO4 to minus, cross the charge. So they become what? Suppose it's not KSO4. It's not the KSO4. Ni sayang, 2 here. 2 at the K2SO4. Is it clear? Nana?
Yes.
Okay. So need to erase. Okay. K plus NO3 minus. Allah. K plus NO3 minus. K plus NO3 minus. K plus NO3 minus. Ni, Nana. So you cross the charge. 1, 1. That one is what? Sayang. Mana, Nana? You understand, Nana?
I think so.
Okay. Then become what? It's not 2. You need to erase 2, Syah. Supposed to what?
Wait, okay.
Yeah, KNO3. Very good, Syah. I write for you, KNO3. Very good, Syah. So balancing here too. Good job for all of you. Very good, chemical equation. Okay. So any questions, this one?
No. No question.
So we take break now. We take break for 5 minutes only, until 8:17. Yeah, 8:17 5 7. Okay, take break, Siapa ni? Hana. Mana? Sekejap. Free, no free Jani.
Yeah.
Sekejap, wait, stop. Sekejap, kita stop pause. Okay. So then here, 2 and 2, and then you divide by 2 here. So then become Cu, CO3. Is it clear? Asha?
Yeah.
Okay, again, Shah. Okay, that one. So PbSO4. So what is the charge on? What is the ionic equation?
Firstly, you separate them.
Yeah, Pb and then plus SO4. So what is the charge?
Pb is 2 plus, right?
Plus, yeah. Plus. Okay, clear, huh?
Yeah.
Muklis?
Yes.
CaSO4. Then what is what, sir?
SO4 2 minus
SO4 to minus Ca?
CA CA plus
2 plus. 2 plus. 2 plus because Ca 2 plus is group 2. Okay, clear, sir?
yes.
Okay, who want to try number 3? If you got the answer, you can leave it the class. Number 3. Name the other insoluble chloride. If you can answer that one, you can.
Is it silver?
Silver?
Silver.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Nana first, Silver what?
Silver.
Okay.
Silver chloride.
Silver chloride, yeah. So silver chloride. Okay. Nana, right? That one.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So bye, Nana.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, we do the paper. Paper 2. Yeah. Paper 2. Okay. Next one. 2020. So you make it the product, yeah. Because the reaction mixture is one. So This one, I say, what, here. I teach you one. So, NaSO4. So, H. So, H. This one, here. And then here. And then Cu here. And then here. Ah.
Sure.
Mm.
Can I try?
What feel? Right now.
I think
Mm-hmm.
it's A.
Yes, correct one. Because it become sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus copper to carbonate. Copper to carbonate all insoluble. Carbonate all insoluble except for the sodium, potassium, ammonium, right? Okay. So, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, Phil.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome, Sam. Bye. Mukris, Chacha, and Asha. Is it you understand this one why the answer is A?
Yeah.
Chacha?
Yes.
Mukris?
Yes.
That's why I said that recognize soluble and insoluble is very important. So now you can recognize, right? Okay, now we go to the another question. Wait, this one. This one I already say in the, I give you the hint that one during the video. I mentioned why you need to put in access. 21, eh?
Teacher, can I answer?
Yeah, Sam, what?
I'm not sure if the answer is correct. Is it A?
A? No, Sam, that one. You added the excess copper to carbonate. It's not the to ensure all the copper to carbonate reacted, no. You want to ensure
Is it
all
B?
the
Is it B?
Syabi. Tapi but okay, you okay, yeah. To ensure all the sulfuric acid has reacted.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So is it clear, Mukris?
Yes.
So if copper to carbonate, that one in assets. So you want to make sure two sulfuric acid. So because you want to make sure all sulfuric acid reacted. Okay. Clear, Mukris?
Yes.
Asha tak kira ya this one, Asha? Okay, Asha?
Okay.
Alright. Okay, this one, 19.
Is it B?
What, Sam?
Is it B?
Boy, B.
Oh.
Okay. This question, they said that aqueous solution of which two compound will produce a precipitate. So two compound will produce two precipitate. That one is a soluble salts plus soluble salts. Then you got the insoluble salt plus soluble salts. If you take B, cannot because copper 2 sulfate is a insoluble salts. Insoluble salts, that one soluble salt, so wrong. Is it clear, Asha?
Oh, yeah.
So
Oh,
this,
is it D?
what's that?
Is it D?
Okay, electronitrate, soluble salt plus soluble salts.
Yeah.
So then you get the lactosulfate plus magnesium nitrate. Okay. So lactosulfate, that one
Is
is
it
a
wrong?
insoluble salt plus soluble salt. Yeah, the answer is D.
Okay.
Okay. Before before you leave it that one, wait. Barium nitrate, soluble or insoluble?
Soluble?
Soluble. Calcium chloride, soluble or insoluble?
Calcium chloride?
Mm-hmm.
Is that like insoluble?
Soluble.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So then they will form a barium chloride plus calcium nitrate. So barium chloride, soluble or insoluble, Asha?
That's soluble, right?
Soluble. Soluble salt. Calcium nitrate,
Soluble?
soluble salt. So cannot lah. Okay, because you want to produce precipitate, so the answer D. Potassium chloride, so KCl, soluble or insoluble, Asha?
Soluble?
Soluble salt. Sodium sulfate,
Soluble?
soluble. So then you cross this one, they become potassium sulfate plus sodium chloride. So potassium sulfate, soluble or insoluble?
Soluble?
Sodium chloride?
Soluble?
Yeah. That's it. So, is it clear, Asha?
Yeah.
Okay, bye, Asha.
Should I go?
Yeah, can.
Okay.
Alright.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Terima kasih.
Sama. Okay, Sam. 19. This one chapter 11. Acid base. 19 here.
Teacher, is it D?
Donkey. D.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, correct that one. We acid partially ionized, strong acid is a fully ionized. Okay. Alright. So bye, Mukris.
Okay. Bye, teacher. Assalamualaikum. Thank
Salam.
you.
Okay, welcome. Okay, Chacha. Hello, Chacha.
Yes.
Okay. So you are the last question. Sayang, that one wait. Here, sayang. 20. Chacha. You know how to do, sayang?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Is it D?
Donkey.
Yeah.
Potassium carbonate. Alright. And then sodium sulfate. Potassium carbonate, soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble?
Potassium carbonate.
Soluble.
Soluble. Sodium sulfate. Yeah. Soluble. Soluble. So cannot lah, that one B. Because you want to produce the insoluble salt, right? So which one, A, B, or C? You need to mix up that one, silver nitrate and zinc chloride. You have zinc chloride and ammonium nitrate. Is it can, huh? That one?
I think it's C.
Yeah, silver chloride. Silver chloride is a insoluble. And then zinc nitrate is a soluble. Okay, good job, Syah. Okay, Chacha. Alright, so see you next week. Bye, Syah. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you.
Okay, okay.